All right, guys, part two. It's August the 9th, 2025. It's Saturday. Honey Jefe here. A little after 9:30. I'm going to put VarroxSan strips on these guys. They got 9 hives. If they were double deeps, and they're not all double deeps, but if they were double deeps, 9 hives, that would take 72 strips. I got a packet of 60 right there. It's pretty expensive, right? It's about 80, 90 bucks for that. Well, a lot of these hives, well, I'll say a lot. There's 2 of them that are single deeps. So you take away 8 of those. So I may or may not have enough for these 9 frames. Like if you do it by the book and you got 10 frame deeps and you're doing double deeps, that's about 8 per hive. A packet of 60, which that is, for about 90 bucks. You're going to treat 7.5 hives. Just to put boxes on. So I'm going to have to kind of break them down a little bit. I was a little concerned with this hive here, just because I'm not seeing a lot of bees in there coming out. Excuse the noise in the background. Focus that up a little bit more. There's a squeaky wheel over there. Of course, I'm leaving my car running. So it'll stay cool a little bit longer. Of course, I'm parking in the shade too. This hive may have absconded. I'm probably late to the game treating some of these for mites. I gotta save this package. Bee club. They want me to bring it to the bee club so they can see the package and learn more about it. This is a fairly new product. thing I like about this so far is it's not as messy as, imagine the hops treatment, hop guard, kind of the same concept as far as the method of delivery, except it doesn't have the same messy brewery syrup packing. Alright, I'll show you more of that in a minute. Just like that. So this is safe to use for hives that got supers on. It's not good. Probably any bees up here at all. This super wasn't ready to pull, in my opinion. See what we got. I'm gonna break this down. But now I'm hearing them. Maybe I'm lucky, I don't know. Got this one frame that's gonna fall out. Not a lot of bees. Not looking good, not looking good. Let's see if there's a bunch of small hobby. I don't smell anything. Usually you can smell. Ten frames. Looks like wax moth larva. Let me look, let me look. It's just comb. These guys are being robbed out. I'll check the top box, the top brood box here. The guys are acting like they don't live here.